Hey guys, Plunderlock here. Welcome to another wonderful video. So today we're gonna be unboxing the Apple Watch replica, the Series 5 replica. This is from Microware. So let's look around the box. You've got the smartwatch on the side, smartwatch on the next side. At the front you've got the Apple Watch face. I hope what's inside the box looks like the Apple Watch, but honestly I don't really have much of an expectation, seeing as this comes under $50. So let's look at the back. It's an activity tracker, has a heart rate monitor, it calculates the step, gives notification, calories, remote camera, Bluetooth call, Bluetooth music. So, and these are the basic parameters. As you guys can see, I'm pretty sure this is like you scan the QR code, because almost everything in China is based on QR code. I mean, they're trying to build the future on QR code anyway. So let's open this up and see what's inside. Okay, it comes in packaged, which makes me feel like the handles don't come off. We're gonna try that. Okay, finally this is out, so let's put it on. Okay, while it's coming on, let's try taking this off. Yep, like I said, doesn't come off. You're stuck with that. Okay, so well, the screen diameters obviously is not the same as the Apple Watch. It just has a little bit, looks like the interface a little bit. So Bluetooth call, activity tracker, heart rate monitor. Okay, actually I want to give the heart rate monitor a try. Why don't we check that? Okay, we're gonna try this, the heart rate monitor. Let's put this on, and we're gonna check if the heart rate monitor works. Okay, it's counting the time. Okay, so the heart rate monitor works. Well, I don't know if it's accurate or not, but it works. That's something. Okay, so we've got alarm, music, calendar. Okay, I mean, the fuel is pretty cheap and it does have all the function that it said it does. But I mean, if you guys are just looking for like a replica look-alike, then I think this is a good one. You guys can have this, but if not, if you guys are really looking for something really similar to the Apple Watch, then probably not this one. I mean, design-wise, it looks good. Yeah, I almost forgot the charging point is actually micro USB. For some reason, every single replica, every single clone copy from China uses a micro USB. Just a few use the traditional Lightning port or USB Type-C. I would prefer if most of them use the Type-C anyway, but yeah. So, yeah guys. So, I want you guys to tell me what you think about this watch in the comments down below. And this watch is going to be for a giveaway, so if you guys want this, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the button, and see you guys in the next one.